where does this bolt on? There has to be.
We're missing a front bracket. So, what is the challenge?
The challenge, you put this to that, and then you try to loosen it. There's nothing there. So, now, in order to loosen it, you have to put this baby on it, take a hammer, and then hopefully it works. Still nothing. Still nothing.
And we are not using a breaker bar because we're afraid it's gonna snap.
That's right.
So we have two of them that are not coming off.
Two of them are not coming off.
And then we have a funny thing, which is on the last one,
There's none.
there is nothing, and I have this, which is rather very odd. Very, very odd. And there is threading on the other side, and that actually thread on this.
I think this is how they're set up. Put it on here. It doesn't fit.
No, it doesn't.
There's an actual lock.
So it doesn't fit on it. So,
Yeah.
so I need to find the key for this one.
Yeah.
So I need to look in the car for the key. The challenge we're facing here is, that's gonna be a bit sideways, so I'm gonna take this off so people can see. Even with the low profile, we cannot reach the mark without touching this. Without touching. Why do you slip back every time? Try now.
Keep going up.
Super stiff.
Yeah, it is. It's supposed to be.
Look at this.
That's
So, yeah, but we have to lift the car up still.
Yeah, I'm not saying we don't. They're not that heavy.
No, these wheels, 3-piece, they're usually pretty light.
There we go. That's pretty clean for 1999. have a corner one somewhere.
Yeah, right there. Right in front of you. Right.
No,
Yeah.
here.
No, no.
Yes, I have one here. I have one
yeah, you
here.
do. You do. Yeah.
Like,
You have more than I do.
God. Ooh, it is super clean under here. There's a tiny bit
Surface.
surface rust that we can clean, but I have to say it, like the undercarriage is. Look, that bar is blue. Did you eat some?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. It's only painful when the car falls on me. We can really see in the car now. I mean, the body is in good condition.
Oh, the body's in excellent condition.
Like there's little spots here and there, but
Yeah, but those are just because of clips and movement, car
Yeah.
movement over time.
how was it on your side?
Very good. The bumper's loose on that side.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Build this one.
Okay,
The 10 mil.
yeah. Is the bumper gonna drop?
No.
It's better to use the other 10 mil.
So what I did on the other side is actually remove this and put this in here so we don't forget which one it is.
With a little snatch, which is basically this goes through them. Does this fit? Yes, this fits.
Yeah, you have to put that bolt back on because it holds this.
Okay.
GTR.
Okay, now we should have enough slack. And I should be able to take the lights. Take care of the lights. Okay, what's up with the lights?
Twist.
Twist.
The whole thing. See?
Oh.
I'm better. So you gotta grab this side. You have to be 100% sure not to touch the top of the fender.
Okay. So yeah, they're not pre-bent, the metal pieces.
That's right, it's fine. It'll bend itself.
How are you on your side?
Pretty good. It's missing probably about a couple of millimeters.
Okay, let me see the first side. It's perfect on that side.
It's missing probably about 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters.
Let me see this one.
Okay.
Yeah, once it's stretched out a little bit, it'll be fine.
Okay, I need a little bit of fitting on this side here, but
So what we're saying is for the Supra, we have a kit that doesn't fit at all whatsoever, that we need to cut, hash, remake. And for this one, we have a kit
That works.
that's almost bolt-on.
yeah.
And that's what 10x on the cost gives you.
So now, what I have to do, all of this here has to be sanded right off, and I have to rebuild all of that. Otherwise, it's gonna spider web like crazy. Oh, that goes on the other side. bit of work ahead of them.
The good news is that these fit.
They should.
Yeah, they should just fit.
Okay. Well, that's the video for today.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.